Hey guys, welcome to the final project introduction by Ling. And I made a very briefly short presentation about it. Firstly, my project is called Zip Story, and it's about a website that you can store your travel story. So first, let's say the problem statement. What I'm trying to do is because a lot of people like traveling a lot and they don't really have a good place to store their different stories when they're traveling to New York, to New Jersey. People have different experience and they wanted to have a place to store these things. And the second place is I get some idea from the Airbnb open. They're trying to let people add some business on some famous spots and maybe make some money as well. So the solution is the first one is we need a website to store and share their travel stories. And the second one is it's better if website can post some great business. Okay, so then first I'm gonna introduce three different level about actors. The first one is the user. User is the normal user. If you register, you are definitely gonna be a user. And what you can do is you can post story and you can you can add some favorite stories from others and add some comments. These normal functions. And at the very beginning, what I thought is, I think it's better if a user can, at the same time, post stories and can post deals. What deal means, deal is like the business you wanted to post. But in order to separate one more character, one more actor, so I separated to a level 2 called merchant. A merchant can post deal other than the story. And the highest level, the third one is admin. An admin character can delete all other Doom and the users. Okay, and this is a technique page. Briefly, the all the main technique we're going to use is what we learned in the CS5610 and the MongoDB, Express, Angular, and Node.js. And let's talk about a little about the API. I'm using two API. The first one is the GeoGames. It's a website that can give you some information about some geography details, but actually not much details. And that's why I use the second API. That's Wiki. I think everybody know about that because although they have different IDs, and for a GeoGame, it has a wiki page. And if you get wiki page URL, you can definitely find something in the wiki API. And last, let's talk about the module. I have totally 5 modules. User, just the user. And spot is a place for a tourist. Some famous it could be a famous place like Boston, and it also can be like museum or mountains or other stuff. Stories is your personal stories, your travel experience about a spot, and view is some related a business you want to make money about this spot. So finally, the review is you can add some comments under a story or a view. Yeah, and the doom is mainly 3 dooms: the spot, story, and view. Because I don't think like user review can be treated as a doom. Yeah, that's very beginning the simple introduction about a slides about my project, and then let's go to see my website. Yeah, this is the opening page of my website, and here we briefly can see all the dooms here: profile, spots, stories and views. First of all, let's sign up a new one. Let's call it Dan. And first, we choose the user type character. And man. And let's say them is from just Massachusetts, or maybe let's say Washington. Yeah. Now we already sign up as a, as a user, and you can. There's a two-way to search. The first one is you can search here, like say Boston, and it will go to the spot you search. And at the same time, you can also let's see here. If you click the spot and you didn't enter any keywords to search, it will directly go to where you belong to according to the state in your personal information. And you can manually search for like Boston. Okay, here and you can see these are I'm using two APIs to get the information. Mainly on this page, our information came from the Geo games. There's not much details, and we can go into it like let's say Boston. Yeah, Boston, and these will be more detailed information about Boston. And this one uses the wiki uh, API, and it also helps the wiki URL here. And we can see I already posted a story here, tour Boston's top 5 attractions, and we can click here and we can see it's posted by Alice. And also you can add to favorite. And when you add to favorite, this button would change to delete from favorite, and you can see one more people, 3 people like it. And then we're trying to add one more add one more review here. And we can rate for this story, and you can see it's 4-star here, and we give it 1. Oh, it's really bad idea to go Boston. I'm lying actually. And submit. Yeah, you can see it used to be 4 stars, but it will change according to all the comments, all the rated we give to this story. So it goes 3 stars. Okay, and then we are trying to write our own stories about Boston. So let's go back to here, and we can here all the buttons are clickable, and both read more, and the title will go to the details, and Alice will go to the profile of Alice. And you can see if you're not the author of the Alice, and the only thing you can see is her stories, the stories she posted, and the reviews she written. So other things you cannot see. So different people have different character, have different view, different UI on this profile page, and you can see the edit and the logout button here. These are all according to your character, your yeah. And let's try to post a story. Let's just say first time to Boston. First time to Boston, and anyway, just it doesn't matter. It just yeah, making an example, and maybe you wanna oops, yeah, and publish. Okay, and yeah, and let's go to see our profile here. Favorite stories is the one that we liked from Alice. You remember that? This is a favorite story, and we don't have favorite duo now, and we have my story. My story, first time to Boston here. This is what we posted here, and only if you are the author of this stories, and then you can edit and delete here, right? And on the favorite stories, they only dislike. Maybe let's try my story. And then you clicked it, and you will go to the edit page. Let's change somewhere and delete most of them and update, and it will go back to the detail page of the story. Okay, then finally we're trying to delete it. Yeah, it's deleted. And also for the deals, it works the same way. I already have 2 deals here. New York vacation package. Let's try this, and you can. There's 2 different options. The first one is add to favorite, and the second one is deal. Add to favorite, it means you add something as your favorite deal, and the deal means I'm gonna purchase it. I'm gonna pay for this vacation. But up to now, it's only similar logic, but maybe further in the future, I'm gonna use like a PayPal API to actually pay for that. And I'm thinking about if you pay for that, maybe you could get the details, much more details about that seller. And we can add to favorite, and you can see when people like it. And also click deal, yeah, and go back to the profile. And here, favorite deal is the deals you like. Here's add one more. And my deals means you actually pay for it. But up to now, logic is similar. Yeah. Yeah, there's a small box here. Okay. Yeah, and then let's change to another character. So log out here, and we could sign up as let's say Dennis. And Dennis is a merchant, and Dennis Wong maybe. That's Dennis. Dennis. Dennis is from where? From Florida. Okay. Sign up here. You see, Dennis is the merchant, so there will be one more option here. It's a posted deal, because if you're a user, normal user, and you can't post it as a post deal, you can only post direct. Okay. So let's try the new feature that we can use. Also spot, let's say Florida University, maybe. These are empty now, and I try post a deal here. Because the very first beginning is like what I'm trying to do this is I hope everyone can do post story and post a deal, because I think like if you're a art student and you can introduce people to the MFA, and you can like give me $10 and I will take you for a tour for the whole afternoon, sort of like that. For now, there's just university trip, university trip, and price maybe $20. Let's say in uh, interesting in our school. Okay, and let's publish that. Yeah, here and we can posters in 1 0 so and $20. And right now the rate is 0, so it's or blank stars here. We tried to add a comment here. 4 stars. I love my school. I submit. Yeah, to go to 4 stars and 1 review, and review successfully. And to the profile. Profile, we see posted view here. It's already posted here. And let's try to delete this. You see, it's deleted. And and if you are a user, you cannot post or edit this page. I can show you that. Logging as remember it's Dan, right? Dan, yeah, Dan, and what is the yeah, spotlight Boston. Let's try a different one. And let's say post, and it will tell you it's an authority error. You're not allowed to get into this page, right? So let's try the admin. Admin, I think I already have the admin. Admin and admin will directly goes into a page and will show all your users, your stories, your views, and all the reviews. Yeah, it's what I think is you should not edit users pages. That's their personal stuff, so you can only delete them if you don't like it. So is there any, yeah, and we could try to delete maybe this one. Yeah, it's delete successful. Okay, that's it. And this page can only be entered if you are a admin. Others you can just log into that. Okay, let's go back to the down and check what else can we show. Yeah, maybe just try the editing here, and you can change these details. Yeah, change the details, and for the spot, I do a small load more here. It will show. At first, it will load 10, and later it will add 10 more. That's it. Hope you guys really can enjoy the brief introduction. And this is my first time to use WebStream to record my lecture, the introduction. Thanks. That's all.